My name's Darren Harman. I'm the CEO of Microsoft UK. I've had an amazing day meeting a whole variety of apprentices. They've just left me so inspired. It just fills me with great confidence that these apprenticeships are building the skills that we need to support an AI digital economy for the future here in the UK.
There's a growing need for an understanding of how to use AI, and I think that really impacts apprenticeships.
There are huge opportunities to grow our economy through the use of technology and AI.
I decided to do an apprenticeship when I was 16, as I wanted to get the hands-on experience and rather than learning for an exam, learn to use it in the workplace and see where it can be applied.
One of the skills for life that I have developed is my ability to code efficiently. It's been easier for me to use my programming languages to the best of my ability. If I'm stuck on a line of code and it's not working, who can I trust to fix it? AI.
I am so excited about the era of AI and the impact that it will have in apprenticeships. We already know that apprenticeships are just an awesome way to grow talent, and I'm really excited to see our apprentices take what we at Microsoft do every day and think about it differently using AI.
And actually we had the Chancellor of the Exchequer on the panel with us, and I can certainly see a future Chancellor amongst them too.